You know what's frustrating? Spending hours on a simple project because your drill stalls, slips, or dies halfway through the job. The right cordless drill, you'll power through wood, metal, even concrete, like a pro. But with so many models available, it can be tough to know which one truly fits your needs. So in this video, I'll be going over the top 5 best cordless drill options on the market right now. Whether you needed budget option or a just looking heavy-duty models, there's something on this list for you. And to make things even easier, we've included the product links in the description, so be sure to check them out. Let's go now. Number 5 is the Skil PWR Core 12-volt cordless drill kit. This is the best budget option on our list. If you're after a solid drill that won't drain your wallet, this compact little powerhouse might just be your perfect match. Unlike many budget drills that feel flimsy or underpowered, this one holds its own, offering smart features you'd normally expect in higher-end models. But at a beginner-friendly price, its standout feature is the 12 battery system, which doesn't just deliver longer runtime. It also charges fast enough to drive 100 screws in just 5 minutes of juice. That's a real lifesaver when you're in the middle of a project and your battery's dead. The built-in USB phone charger is another clever touch. Imagine powering your phone on site, straight from your drill battery. It's small, light, and surprisingly strong, which makes it ideal for quick repairs, IKEA builds, or tossing in the car for emergencies. One reviewer joked that it performed so well, the real head of the house claimed it for herself, and honestly, that sums it up. It's unintimidating, versatile, and ready for anyone to use. The only catch is a second battery will cost you extra, but at this price point, it's a fair trade-off. All in all, it's a smart, affordable pick that punches above its weight, and customers agree it's a surprisingly capable little drill. Thumbs up for the budget model. Number 4 is the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Hammer Drill, best heavy duty. If you're tackling serious jobs that demand next-level power, the DeWalt Max XR Hammer Drill is built for exactly that. Its standout feature is the anti-rotation system, a safety-focused upgrade that automatically shuts the tool down when it senses too much twist, which can save your wrist when using big bits or augers. Most drills in this category lack this level of built-in protection, so this feature alone puts it ahead of the pack. Take something like drilling through thick ice or using a hole saw if the bit jams. The DeWalt instantly cuts power to prevent injury. It's smart, responsive, and absolutely confidence-boosting. Add to that a 3-speed all-metal transmission and adjustable clutch, and you're looking at a tool that adapts to nearly any material or task. The adjustable LED light is a bonus, bright enough to work like a flashlight and can stay on for up to 20 minutes. One thing I really respect about DeWalt is how purpose-built their tools are. They don't just make drills, they make tools for people who drill every day. Yes, it's on the heavier side, over 7 pounds with a 6 amp-hour battery, but that's the trade-off for the rugged performance it delivers. Users love the raw power and smart safety features, making this drill a heavy-duty beast that's built to last. Just make sure you're buying from an authorized seller to keep that warranty intact. Thumbs up for the DeWalt. Number 3 is the Bosch PS 312A 12-volt cordless drill and driver kit, best for smaller projects. When it comes to compact power and control, this drill is hands down one of the best options for smaller projects. What really sets it apart is the lightweight yet high-torque design. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, but delivering enough power to drive 3-inch screws into hardwood without blinking. Many drills in this size class just can't compete when it comes to both comfort and muscle. Another standout is the precision clutch with 20+1 settings, which lets you dial in the exact amount of torque you need. Compared to other models that overdrive or strip screws, this one gives you fine-tuned control, perfect for furniture building or delicate installations. Add to that the dual-speed transmission and short 7-inch head, and it becomes a go-to choice for tight corners, cabinetry, and everyday DIY work. It's especially ideal for homeowners, hobbyists, and professionals who want something small but capable. Some users do note a slight wobble in the chuck, but most agree it doesn't impact real-world performance. And the solid battery indicator plus fast 30-minute charging more than make up for it. You also get an LED work light and a sturdy carrying case, making it easy to grab and go. In short, this drill punches above its size, with just the right blend of power, precision, and portability. Nice one! Number 2 is the Flex 24-volt brushless cordless hammer drill. Best power. If you're chasing raw, unmatched drilling power, the Flex 24-volt hammer drill absolutely earns its best power title. The first thing we noticed, this drill delivers 1,400 nlbs of torque, and that's no marketing fluff. It genuinely powers through steel, concrete, and brick like a hot knife through butter. The turbo mode is a game changer too, giving you a quick speed boost when time and precision matter. What really impresses users is the stacked lithium battery system. It charges insanely fast, runs longer than expected, and manages heat better than most, so you're not stuck waiting around when you're mid-project. Another big plus is the anti-kickback braking system. With torque this high, that extra safety layer isn't just nice, it's necessary. It protects your wrist when things get tough. You've also got a full metal ratcheting chuck with carbide teeth, which keeps your bits locked in tight, even under serious pressure. Small details like the LED work light, dual-speed gearbox, and overall rugged design tie it all together into a professional-grade tool. And yes, it's on the heavier side. But hey, that just means you're getting a workout while you work. In short, Flex built this to outperform. And based on what pros and DIYers are saying, it does exactly that. We like this one a lot. Number 1 is the Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel Hammer Drill. This is the best overall today. If you're looking for a drill that truly does it all, power, precision, and durability, this one absolutely earns its best overall title. The highlight here is the Auto Stop Safety Clutch, a feature that protects your wrist by shutting the drill off instantly if a bit jams. It's a huge win for pros working with heavy-duty bits or dense materials. Most drills don't offer this level of smart safety, and once you've tried it, you won't go back. Another standout is the incredible 1,400 nlbs of torque, paired with 33,000 BPM in hammer mode. It drills through concrete, brick, and heavy timber like butter. Users also appreciate the compact 6.9-inch design, perfect for tight spaces. Add to that a brushless motor with RedLink Plus tech to manage heat and performance, and you've got serious staying power on long jobs. The carbide-toothed all-metal chuck holds bits securely, the mechanical clutch ensures control across fastener types, and the LED work light is super bright and adjustable. Compared to most models, this drill brings premium-level precision and power in one compact, rugged package. And the all-metal belt clip is a nice touch for portability. With unmatched performance, pro-grade safety, and near-universal praise from users, this drill isn't just powerful, it's reliable, efficient, and worth every penny. Highly recommended. Let me know in the comments which cordless drill is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.